It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2021 F-150 XLT in iconic silver. Has black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, and that includes skid plates. As well, you've got a reverse camera, navigation, heated seats, and dual climate control, among other things. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, and you have these nice all-weather mats with the F-150 badging on the floor, and that makes easy cleanup. You have electronic parking brake, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and power tailgate release. There's a grab handle and a running board, just making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. So on your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and you also have the menu. So let's go through that, and we're going to go through my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a cubby up top. You've got your camera here. So I'm not in gear. This is just taking a look at what is behind us. And this is the center line, green, yellow, red, and there's your bumper right there. I'm just gonna get out of there. And on our screen, we can see we have different options. So we can go into settings. You can change the look of your display. You can slide through for different options, and they all have sub-menus. You have a little sidebar as well that you can go into. Navigation is going to bring up your map, and then you can choose your destination and you can put it in. And as well, we can go into our audio. Let's turn down our volume. You can do that on your steering wheel as well. We go into our sources. There we go. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And if we go into our features, we have different things in there as well. So you've got your owner's manual in there, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So again, here we go, right off the back bumper, center line, green, yellow, red. And now I am in gear for reverse, and we can head backwards. It'll put us back into park, and I'm just going to point out up here we have our hazard lights, hill descent, and traction control. And down below we have our volume and tuner. We have a dual climate control with the heated seats, and we have our fan in the center. We have our AC as well as max AC, and your front and rear defrost as well. In the cubby, USB-C and USB, and a place to put items. You have your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 with your locking differential as well as drive mode. So as we dial through drive mode, you're going to see it appear on your dash, and the icons are going to change. So there's normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then we're going to go back around to slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts. So, and it's telling you to shift for that. And we're just going to go back into normal because that's where we want to be, because we have no conditions right at the moment. So as your road conditions change, as your weather changes, you can make adaptations by using your drive mode. Just gives you more or less control. You have an automatic select shifter, and we can actually make this go down flat. This just gives you a flat surface to work with if you like, or just get it out of the way and then just press it to make it come back up again. A couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up. There's lots of room in there. You've got a nice little bin. You can take that out. Down below you've got plugins for different things, and you're off to the side you've got a 12 volt as well as a 120. Two glove compartments, lower one's locking, the other one releases from there. Grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror, you have your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for, and you're all set to go. Fun fact, this is the map of downtown Detroit. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. We're seeing the FX4 off-road badging, which includes skid plates, and in the rear that LED light is on. Just above the handle is where your backup camera is located. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to bring down that tailgate, all you do is double click your fob. It'll power it down for you. Got a nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have an outlet located here, so if you want to plug in, you can. And then on the back here, you also have a place for clamps. So if you want to do a little work, you have a place to do that. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. And speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handles in the body. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And then to bring it back down, simply pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you've got this nice all-weather mat on the floor. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and a couple of cup holders. You also have a 12-volt located here, and then down below is USB-C and USB, and you're seeing that ambient lighting, that little blue lighting, and you also have a 120 volt. And then grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting off to the side, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, 5.5 foot line box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.